Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to lock any element or whatever it is in your Miro board. And that could be a text or it could be an image, whichever it is. And all you have to do is to ensure that you click on it. Once you click on it, you have the options here and you can lock. So I'm going to show you right now. If I click on it, I can move it. But if I want to lock it, I select it and then I click on lock. And as you can see, it's locked and I can't really move it around. In order to unlock it, I will have to go ahead and click the option where it says long press to unlock. And so I can do that for image. I can do it for whatever. I'm going to do it for the image as well. Lock. And as you can see, both is locked right here. So if you're working on a design and you want to lock some kind of element or logo or text or title, you can easily go ahead and lock it in your design. Once you're ready to unlock it, you click on it, you press and hold for a bit, and as you can see, it's now unlocked. And that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys.